According to official figures in East Turkestan, 1,632,000 so-called family helpers are employed in Uyghur families for the detection of radicalism. The news portal Bitter Winter now reported the suicide of a Chinese official who was hired as a spy in Hotan. The parents of the spy had been paralyzed, his wife is expecting a child, and when the authorities finally refused permission to visit, depression tore him into suicide. Communist China is still interning religious minorities to millions in camps. Worldwide, this inhumane practice receives little criticism from non-governmental organizations. An exception is Amnesty International. Patrick Kuhn, a researcher with Amnesty International, recently wrote an article about the arbitrary arrests, addressing the sad uncertainty of the bereaved. Because experiencing the arrest of one's relatives is already very difficult, but then not knowing where the beloved are and how they feel is particularly painful. A delegation from the Marif Association held a conference on East Turkestan in Kuwait. They told the guests about the tyranny in the region. Numerous visitors showed keen interest in the situation report. Donald Trump and his government officially classify Iranian Revolutionary Guards as terrorist group and put them on a terrorist list. This approach is unique because never before has one country classed the army of another country in this way. In response, the Iranian National Security Council also placed the United States Central Command on a terrorist list. Again this year, Erdogan and Russian President Putin met on Monday. In a speech, Erdogan talked mainly about political, economic, military and cultural relations and their coordination. Furthermore, the Turkish president emphasized the importance of cooperation between the two countries against terrorism.